All right, YouTube, welcome. It is time for a birthday unboxing. I had a quick bagpipe lesson today with Thaddeus because of change of plans, so I wasn't able to go to my bagpipe class because he had some things he had to do. But today we're going to do my birthday unboxing. Here we go. Let's see what we got in here. All right. Look at this, everybody. Ooh, look at that. What could be in here? Looks like there's a little kind of foam little carrying cloth with it. Now, I don't know if y'all know this, but this is an upgrade to my Suzuki harmonica that I had. This is actually an upgrade to the Suzuki that I had. Got a cleaning cloth. Alright. Oh, it looks just like a special 20. This is a seydel blues session standard. Alright, this is a seydel blues session standard. So, let's see what we got here. This must be some type of, I can put this in my harmonica case. You know what? And it's in low D, so that's awesome. Hopefully y'all can see this really well. Let's give it a listen. Wow. Wow, this thing is awesome. This is awesome. This is just like the Suzuki Easy Rider, but much better and made a lot from the oldest harmonica manufacturer, Seydel. Let's listen to these low reeds. Wow, listen to that. Let's listen to the draw. All right, there we go. That is awesome. All right, a new harmonica, but an upgraded harmonica from the Suzuki Easy Rider. This is actually a lot better than the other one because it's made by Seydel and it is the Blues Master harmonica. So what a great birthday unboxing. There we go. We'll do a full view, overview, and demo with a comparison with another harmonica. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.